Are you navigating the complex world of manufacturing and looking for a roadmap to success? Well, you're in the right place. Catch the snippets from our blog, The Manufacturing Landscape. Discover how agility, efficiency, and innovation are more than just buzzwords. They're essential for success. Challenges aplenty. Get a sneak peek into the critical challenges in inventory management, quality control, and cost optimization. The power of two. Learn how Odoo and Docker together offer a game-changing solution for these challenges. Real results. Read about an automotive company that reduced operational costs by 20% in just 6 months. Intrigued? Click the link to explore the full story on how Odoo and Docker are revolutionizing manufacturing. If this sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking insights.